Products with variants are common on an e-commerce platform. But how can you define such products in the Dynamics GP platform? X2X eCommerce Dynamics GP Shopify integration is the solution to this problem. Our module allows you to define such products, with our parent-child utility right from GP, and upload them to your Shopify store with just a matter of clicks. Define attributes and assign them to the child's items. All can be done within an X2X add-on module. The module facilitates parent item creation, and their assignment to children in bulk using the Excel utility. Dynamics GP Shopify parent-child relationship. Defining functionality ensures that the products in your ERP are represented in the same way as on your Shopify store. With X2X eCommerce integration solution, manage products from Dynamics GP with the flexibility of creating them in an e-commerce format, to achieve operational excellency. Still not sure if X2X eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.